So we call it like node theory, right? Which is that there are certain people where there's a direct relationship and there'll be both a professional and hopefully a personal ROI. For a lot of other people, there are folks out there who have no alignment with you, but they'll know a lot of other people, right? And so what you want to do is cultivate them the same way you cultivate a direct vendor relationship, right? Because that person, if they know folks and you create a strong, let's call it one-to-one understanding of each other, they know other people and they'll spread that out. And so it doesn't matter that you have the 16 people who can directly buy something from you today. What matters is you have people who care about what you're doing or people who want to care about it. Because even if there's not a transaction, there's a ton of help. And if we're going to be in this game for a while, and like you're going to be in it for a while, like this is the preeminent event management platform out there.
Right?
Right? They're not going anywhere. Then it doesn't matter if someone has something for you right now, not even this year. Right? What matters is that they can develop with you and develop their communities with you.